Hello everybody, good afternoon to you all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Somebody is speaking, you are not audible, you have to be louder. Mahesh, your voice is breaking, not audible.
Is it okay now?
No, not okay, it's breaking. Yes, Akash, just share your screen, I'll help you out with Cucumber. Maybe we can also record it so that it helps others.
Ma'am, is it audible now? Ma'am?
Your voice is breaking, Mahesh. Akash, share your screen. Yes, Mahesh, you can also share your screen. Yes, Mahesh, share your screen. It's on mobile or what? The view. Mahesh, your screen sharing is lost again.
Is it now visible now?
It is still loading. Your voice is breaking. Okay, now I can see the eclipse.
Ma'am, here after running this text under file, I'm getting some error, ma'am.
You're not at all clear. Looks like your network is bad. But anyways, I'll just run this and see. Give me the control.
Okay, sure.
So this is your project, right? SC underscore Cucumber. So
Yes, ma'am.
this is your Maven project. Okay, so under test you should create just close it. Can you give me the control again?
Ma'am, I have uploaded, ma'am.
It's a lot of delay. So firstly, this is your form.xml. So now use 1.8 here. Dependencies. So Mahesh, it is taking time for building. So if you see here, bottom corner, you can find building 43%, right? So once it is 100% done, then you click on OK
Okay.
and share screen again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah.
Sure. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Team, I didn't get the assessment date yet. Once I receive the assessment date confirmation, I'll update you. Karnakar, share your screen.
Ma'am, I can't able to take the control back now.
Yeah, I gave back Mahesh. Sorry.
Oh, thank you. Can I start sharing, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Please stop sharing.
Yeah, thank you. Now the call. Yeah.
Karnakar, please share your screen.
Ma'am, currently I'm using mobile, ma'am. I can't share my screen.
Then how will I be able to troubleshoot your issues?
Ma'am, yesterday it was fine, ma'am, but today it is showing like this, ma'am.
Okay, connect from that laptop and then share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Mahesh,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I got output. Thank you.
hello?
Yes, ma'am, I got the output. Thank you.
Got it. Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can I share my screen?
Yes. Yes. Tell me, Karnakar.
Ma'am, is this visible?
Yes, yes, visible. Tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Whenever I'm executing this, I'm getting like this, ma'am. I'm getting this kind of error.
What is the exception? Duplicate step definition. Scroll to the right. Duplicate step definition in features. Only login.
Can you check my code, ma'am?
Scroll to the right. First, we have to always try to understand the error. Where is that error? It is saying duplicate step definitions for that feature online logins. Scroll to the right. I visit the online login page and feature search. I visit the. Did you repeat the methods multiple times in the step definitions for that feature?
No, ma'am.
First, double click on that login dot feature, email login dot feature. So here, user should be able to log into even, when, and then. Go to its step definition. Even, come down. Is then is the last. Immediate control. So in search feature, there is a duplicate. Is what it is. There is the runner class. Okay, it is here. So here, did you not specify details, cucumber options? Can you just try running it once again?
This means all feature will be executed now, ma'am. If I don't specify a
Right.
particular feature.
Yeah, all features will be executed. So that is where it is finding duplicates. Run it once again. Did you try to run?
Runner.java.
Yeah. Failure. Okay. Come to failure trace.
Yeah.
Left hand side bottom. Mouse over on the first line. Duplicate step definitions. In features dot login. Visit my login. Visit my login. So in both the features, it is finding one step is common. So that is what you have to modify. Come to your feature. Okay, so here visit my only login page and go to search feature. There also you have I visit the.
Now it is different now, ma'am. Can I execute it?
Wait, update the same in your step definitions.
Okay, ma'am.
Which one you said, right? So if one, just add.
Can I execute it, ma'am?
Also the method name page.
Yeah.
That's it, right? Yeah, save it. Right. Mouse over on your value trace, duplicate step definition exception. Click on login button. Click on login button. So next step. Now it went to next step. Clicking on login button. Go to each feature login. Click on login button step and make changes.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on login button. Change it for search. So let's go to search Java. Just
Okay, ma'am.
Right. And it is
Ma'am,
going for parameterization.
but it is not entering here, ma'am, in this field.
Check your script. Correct your definition.
Okay, ma'am.
Read the error. I would convert Java pending exception to do implement. Mouse over on failure trace first step, first line. Implement. So, what are the steps that it has done?
Ma'am,
What are the steps it has executed successfully and where it got
this one, ma'am, given.
given is done successfully? It has opened that login page and
Yes, ma'am.
it did not enter the username and password is what you are saying. Where is the code for
Wait,
entering
ma'am.
username and password?
I supposed to do this one, ma'am. I forgot.
Okay.
Oh, ma'am, it is not identified.
Go to your step definition.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I put here these
Yeah.
2 steps?
Yes, yes. You have parameterized request. If you have parameterized it, you should not give it in double quotes.
No, ma'am, I'm checking whether it is identifying or not Selenium. It is identifying, ma'am. Also entering. But this is not executing, ma'am, when block. This test is.
When you are giving it inside, it's not executed. At this point,
Can I change this one, ma'am? These regular expressions.
no, those have come. See, when did you give them? You gave it after completely finishing your feature, you generated the skeleton code, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't change anything. Sure.
Yes, ma'am. First, I have written this one. Then after, I given skeleton for them.
You go to omilogin.java.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the first one it is executing, right?
Yes, ma'am. This one.
Go to search.
Future or Java?
Search. So search, ideally you kept it blank, right? You didn't add any code.
No, ma'am. I have implemented this one. Search.java. Skeleton.
What did you implement?
Auto-generated code, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. You didn't write any code, right? So that is why
Yes.
it is raising that pending exception. What you are doing, you are just throwing the exception. So same exception is what is thrown. Comment that, throw new pending exception. Comment that. Because you are throwing, the same thing is seen in failure trace. Save it.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
run it. Save your OMI login also. I think
Just
OMI
wait.
login second method is not.
I'll print something in this. Can I execute it now?
Yeah.
Yes, it is working.
Okay.
Is that login happening or
So then, why that page is opening, ma'am? I didn't mention. Yeah.
undefined step division? I enter username and password. So undefined in the sense probably the skeleton code syntax went incorrectly. You have to undefined step division for
This one now.
when I enter username as string and password. Go back to the Java code.
1 minute, ma'am. I'll do it. Ma'am, you are given when, then, and, ma'am. But
It's not just about even when and then. When you're implementing parameterization and
I
when you're
extended, yeah,
passing
ma'am.
that
And then
username,
first, then has to come first, then and should be last, ma'am.
that is fine. See, go to when. In when, this is not just a simple code. You have given parameterization, right?
Yes,
Passing
ma'am.
those values.
Yeah.
So when it is being parameterized, so go to that login.java. So here in when, what is there? In when you have I enter username. So this syntax you have to change it. Go to Project Explorer. Then you add that failure trace. Copy paste that skeleton code and
This one.
add your statement.
This one, ma'am.
Not this. Not this. Come back to Eclipse.
Okay.
Go to JUnit Explorer.
Where it is, ma'am.
Beside Package Explorer. Beside Project Explorer, you have JUnit Explorer.
Okay.
Tab next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right click on failure trace. Under failure trace, right click on it. Copy
It is
trace.
not working, ma'am.
Inside the box.
Okay. First one.
Copy. Completely it will copy trace. Open a notepad file. Paste it. Okay. Comment those thrown new exceptions. Okay. And copy paste the 2 lines code inside when whatever is there, put it here.
This
Go
one,
to
ma'am.
your Eclipse. Go to Eclipse.
This one.
See those 2 lines, yeah. Paste it in notepad.
Here.
Yeah. Same way whatever you have written in then.
Okay.
Then, not that. Then. Wait. Need not save it, that's okay. Come back to Eclipse.
It's asking. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Scroll down. Any code is left over. See.
No, ma'am.
Some more code is there. Copy that also.
Okay.
Okay, now copy this from when to
Entire.
last. Don't, no. Starting there is some error message that you can ignore. First 3 lines you can delete. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Paste it. Wait. I think it is in between, right? No. Copy when and then separately. Because we have end in between. Any errors, try to resolve them.
Here, ma'am.
Some username, some password. String and integer. Are you receiving string and integer?
Yes, ma'am.
Is writing.
Here, ma'am. This one. Some username, some password. For now, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is and it is string.
Okay. Save it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have to give string and int one.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm doing. I think it takes string only, ma'am. Send keys.
Send keys.
It is not taking.
Say a dot to string. Dot.
Oops. Can I exit it, ma'am?
Right.
No errors. Here,
There
expected.
is some expected results. String. Local variable is string.
Oh, yes.
Pankaj, you have to go through Jira video. Hands-on is not required. Go through Jira video. QTP is not part of our training. You can ignore QTP.
No, ma'am. Still, it is not identifying.
What does it say? Cannot invoke null pointer exception. Go to failure trace. Cannot invoke ORG OpenQA Selenium WebDriver. Mouse over on the first line under failure trace. Mouse over that will be because this dot driver is null. Go to that statement.
Which one, ma'am?
Dot driver is null.
Drop this one.
Where is that this dot driver?
I'm not getting it, ma'am.
Where is this dot driver? Not invoke the driver dot find element. Okay, WebDriver. Have you created it as a have to give it as a class variable?
That's one global variable.
Or OT77, OpenQA Selenium. Expand the import statements.
What, ma'am?
Expand the import statements. Click on plus there. ORG OpenQA Selenium. Comment that file. There is that used. Find element.
Can I import it, ma'am?
See, one you are importing from GitHub. Brand. Okay, import it. Null pointer exception cannot feature identification and pass. What is the second one?
At futures. Enter username. This one, ma'am.
Mouse over on the second one. So it is with this. So it is with the driver initialization. Scroll up.
Ma'am, I just problem with dependencies, ma'am.
What are the versions you're using? No, it is with your WebDriver object. Basically, this WebDriver, it is saying null.
Latest versions of them.
Then use JRE at least 1.8. So go to scroll up, go to properties, make it to 1.8. A1 compiler.
Where, ma'am? Here.
I got a 16, sorry. 1.8. Save it.
Completed.
Right click on the project, go to Maven,
Where? Project.
right click on project. No, project name, current project. Maven,
Where, ma'am? I'm not getting.
right click on that CPRE, some project name is there.
This one. Okay.
Yeah, right click Maven and
Update was. I have done this too, ma'am.
force update. Force update. Check it.
Okay. Can I click on OK, ma'am?
Yeah, click on it. Okay, so now we just one.
Yeah, good. Can I exit it, ma'am?
Try it out. Still.
Ma'am, why this is not coming, ma'am? I
That
think this belongs to search, ma'am.
search. So search
Ma'am.
has no issues, only login. That is also because of your WebDriver object.
Can I uninstall and reinstall all these things, ma'am?
No.
Actually, it is executing, ma'am. Search.
Yes.
Search feature.
The search is executing. So here the issue is not with Cucumber, issue is with Selenium. So when you Selenium and Java, it is with Java. So when you are referring a variable, an object which is declared outside of the, or maybe we have to add wait statements.
I'll try, ma'am.
Do it, otherwise fail.
Sorry, ma'am.
Just a second. So it is with your variables. driver scroll up, separate. And you have where did you okay, driver equals to new Chrome driver. Can you put the 23 statement at line number 18? Comment at 23, copy it and put it in line number 18.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
19 or at 18?
Okay, so the WebDriver manager should come first. Right?
Can I change this one, ma'am?
Or you can do one thing. We have another annotation, right? At the rate before. At the rate before class. Just to try to create another method.
Here, ma'am.
Another method. Yeah, inside only login class. Create another method. Say some M1 or M1. Inside that, you give those statements WebDriver manager and WebDriver
This
equals
one.
to WebDriver. Yeah. Also, line number 25, whatever is there, cut that there. I mean, comment it there. Copy paste before WebDriver. Comment there. Okay, now annotate this public void M1 with at the rate before class.
Before.
Yes.
From JUnit.
Change.
Can I remove this one?
Try it out. Not running.
No, ma'am, not one.
Then just do one thing. Just remove that init method and simply have those two statements outside all methods. Remove that public void M1 and keep
Yeah,
those two statements right before the
where did I put, ma'am? Where do I put these things?
after the WebDriver, after line number 19.
I cut or copy?
Cut. Remove that at the rate before that method and close bracket. Okay, no, don't. What is wrong with the Chrome driver setup? Yeah, that's okay. WebDriver can be commented. Line number
Yes,
19
ma'am.
can.
Chrome
What
driver.
is wrong with Chrome driver setup?
Syntax error. It's showing identifier expected after this token.
Identify.
Identifier expected after
Expected after this token.
token.
Or use system.set property. Can use that as well, right? I see somebody unmuted. Is it in this group team? Because I'm in multiple groups. I don't know. See. You have to refer to Chrome driver.exe. You are referring to some Java file. Where is Chrome driver.exe file? Check it out. Maybe in some downloads you should be having. Go to downloads and verify, Karnakar. Go to your downloads folder. You might have downloaded Chrome driver sometime back. You are on mute.
Yes.
Go to your folder downloads. See if you can find Chrome driver.
Chrome driver.
Your last one is what? Chrome driver under which?
Here one. This one. Oh, sorry, I forgot now. I supposed to copy this one.
So you have this BDD Cucumber in PBL app. This module is available to you.
No, ma'am, I think.
No?
No, ma'am.
It is uploaded in fact. System dot set property. WebDriver.com.
Property.
Right. Cut it and put it in line number
Ma'am,
25. Cut the system dot set property. Put it in line number 25. At line number 25. Are you getting error here? You uncomment 19, line number 19. Try running this. Is it not taking the values?
no, ma'am, it is not it.
Same.
Same, ma'am, as it is.
Do one thing. Go to that features tab. Feature, login feature. How many rows of data have you given?
3 rows.
3 rows, right? Have only one row. First one, Karna. Remaining two, just try to remove it. Just have one row. 12, 13, 14 is what you have to do. Here you removing completely just. No, why are you removing first 10 and 11?
So,
Remove 12 and 13.
only rows.
Yes.
Okay.
Now try to run it. Run it from runner.java.
Okay. Only once it's executing. Mm.
Are you moving, scrolling up and down?
No, ma'am. I'll do it again, ma'am. See.
So, this with the variable scope somehow, it's the browsers is it opening for that login?
3, ma'am. Currently, only one, ma'am. As we are giving
Since
Only
we
one
have
row.
one row of data, so
Yeah.
it is opening
Opening only once.
once. Sure, right? Run it once again and verify. It is opening only once, so its instance is not referred in the second method.
Only once, ma'am. Ma'am, why these are coming, ma'am?
That
It
is your
is
search
related
statements.
to.
In search, you give print statements, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
That's what it is printing.
Even I'm executing this also, I'm getting same thing now, ma'am.
No,
Yeah,
everything is being executed. See, it is not, though you are just running there, but it is executing as a complete test case, JUnit test, JUnit. So
entire thing.
because you didn't give specifically which feature, so it is executing all features.
Okay. I'll try it, ma'am.
Yeah. Check it on Google. See when you have your.
Yeah, ma'am, I tried a lot, but I didn't get any solution.
I will check it from my end. See.
Okay, ma'am. Can I stop sharing, ma'am?
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So team, what I will do, I'll just share my screen and I will create a Teams group for you all. All of you will have to join on your own to that Teams group. And I will share the project with you all, okay? So all of you can see my screen, shared screen team.
Yes, ma'am.
So first what I will do, I will create a new team. Okay. So team, I have created 2022 intern batch 2 automation here. Okay. So I will share the link so that all of you can get added. So here, so use your Wipro ID to get added here. Okay. So now here, I just first I will need to add a few people probably. I will just get them to team.